Go ahead. Watch out, baby.
Ooh. The same thing as William.
Well, you got a case too? Wait a minute. Where's your DS? Uh-oh. Oh, man. I guess we'll have to take that back.
No.
No, you want to keep the case? Why don't you open it?
I
Check it out.
Do this. That's easy. This is down.
Open it at the top. The top. The top. There. Pull that part open. There you go.
Empty. Ooh. Wait, okay. There, I got it out. Whoa.
It's a button. You gotta push the button and open it. No. Push the button and you don't have to like attack it. What are you doing? William, you wanna help him?
Yep. Here's a white DS.
There's a DS in it?
Yeah.
What? You're kidding me.
With Rotron and Zekrom on it. It's a 3DSi.
Whoa.
3DS?
No, it's a DSi. It's not a 3DS. That's so cool, Micaiah.
Stylus. With the white point. CD card. Cool. You can play songs. Mine's charging. It's charged. Hey, it says Micaiah. He got Mario on it. He has Mario on it. Photo Dojo? Cool. Oh yeah.
What else is on there?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What's after Photo Dojo?
Come
here.
DSi.
You have a DSi, silly. Come here, Micaiah.